Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Time to talk tweaks for those who already jailbreak their devices on iOS 13, 13.5, 13.7, even iOS 14 up to 14.1 and also iOS 14.2. Those Cydia tweaks will be for you. So before I'm gonna start today's video, let me asking you guys to give the video a big thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified always whenever I release a new Cydia tweaks video. Hey, welcome back guys, and let's go ahead right now to start talking about today's tweaks. And number one on my list will be the Nico. So this is gonna be bring a live wallpaper. You might take a look right now for my background. You can see that everything comes to alive. So you can bring any kind of video you would like to. You can place that as your wallpaper or background on your springboard by simply going and navigate to under the settings here. You can go, this is the Nico, which is the tweak here. Go ahead, first of all, enable the tweak from in there. So you have three different kind of sections. One of them is going to be for your lock screen. The other one will be for your home screen. And the third one, if you want to bring any kind of live wallpaper into your control center or your CC, you can enable that by simply going and choose any kind of video from your studio, of course. And then also we have two different kind of options if you want to mute that while you listening into your music or disable while you on the low power mode. So this is some of the things that comes and once you make any kind of change, you need to make sure to respring your device so your device will be take the effect really nice and cool one to have it in your device. Highly recommend you guys to give it a try. This one will be called the Nico. Let's move on right now to talking about the next one, and the next one will be called the gears. So you guys can take a look right now that my settings icon comes into live. It will be spinning just like that. So this is what the tweak pretty much will be provide you with once you navigate to under the settings. The only thing that comes with the tweak, which is to enable disable the tweak, and also we have the speed or the speed adjust will be using that slider here. Once you're done, spring. Once you go back into your springboard, take a look for the settings icon here. You can see that will be start being spinning. So this is what pretty much the tweak will be provide you with. Cool one to have it in your iPhone. This one will be called the gears. Let's go ahead right now to move and talking about the other one, and the other one will be called the AnimeMy Badges. So you guys can take a look that my badge right now show some effect while I receive any kind of notification inside any kind of application that I have in my iPhone by simply going and navigate to under the settings here, and let's take a look what that tweak pretty much will be provide us with. So tap on it, disable enable the tweak. You have to choose the animation from here if you want to remove the heart beating, or if you want to use the from the right comes as a transition comes from the right or from the left. This is the only three things that it comes once you download that tweak. If you change anything, you need to make sure to tap on respring your device, and you will be see any kind of application you have in your jailbroken device comes with a live on it or comes with animation just like that. Really nice and cool one, and this one will be called the AnimeMy Badges. Let's go ahead right now and talking about the other Cydia tweak, and the other one will be called the success. So once you navigate to inside the tweak, pretty much first of all, let me just talking about the tweak. The tweak will be make you to customize some of the stuff that you have in your status bar. So once you download the tweak, go ahead enable the tweak. You have a few things or colors you can, or that tweak will be allow you to change some of the things in your status bar. For example, just enable the section, and then you can change the color for your watch, your battery, your network, your Wi-Fi signal, and then also some of the things like, for example, add or customize the SIM card from in there from that section. Even some of the things you can read it here, and this is what pretty much the tweak will be provide you with. One of the things which is I already enable, if I want to show the percentage inside the battery I don't know if you guys can take a look at it, but it's working right now. And this is one of the things that comes with that tweak once you download it in your iPhone. Really nice and cool one to customize the way of your iPhone status bar. Go ahead and download the success. Let's go ahead right now and jump to talking about the other Cydia tweak, and then you guys can take a look right now here on my banners. So let's go ahead right now and talking about one of the notification tweaks. So this one will be called the NanoBanners. Comes with a new update to support the iOS 14 up to 14.4. So if you guys want to download this one the way that I showing you guys, and even you can make some customized stuff. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, and then you can play with the sliders that come once you navigate to under the settings. Some stuff comes with the tweak, so you guys can take a look. First of all, enable the tweak, and then you have the banner type, so you can choose the default or the left half, bright half, and also we have the extra. And then also I already told you guys about the sliders here, the rounded corners. You can play with that. Also we have the color type, so you can choose the default or other customized stuff if you want to. You can tap on customize here, and then you can choose the custom background color, and also you can change the custom border color by simply just tap on it here. That will be provide you with some colors here, and then once you tap on done here, and if you want to test how is that will be looks like, just tap on test here. You can take a look at it. It will be change the whole color for your banner. It will be looks like this. Once you're done, reset your device, you will be good to go. And this is how is that banner, or from now on your banner will be looks like after you download that tweak. Really nice and cool one to have it in your iPhone. This one will be called the NanoBanners. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you like the video, make sure to give the video a big thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified always whenever I release a new Cydia tweaks video. Catch you with the next one. Peace out.